big one side and small the other for some reason. It's a bit out of shape as well, quite a lot out of shape. It'd been sitting flat when I bought it. The new one, look at that, V-rubber. From redcircles.co.uk, I've bought quite a few bits off them for previous bikes and that. Everything's been well alright, no complaints since that's it done. Still pliable. I'll try and see if I can show you. Try and get that in the it's quite hard to get it in. Look at that, best one I've ever done, that straight through. And put your nuts on it now. Not recommended in Crocs. I'm not going to go past 12 o'clock. Push the rest down on the hand. That's out. Looks good to me. That's it. Slide the drum into the guide. Put a rag in the chain. Pull the wheel back, and that'll seat these